I just got this box from my friend Hopfrog here on YouTube, and I'm gonna open it up, and I can't wait. I have an idea of what it is. He and I were talking about guitars. He has streams that he does every week, late Friday nights, from like midnight to like 5 a.m. or something like that, his time, California time. But anyway, sometimes he plays guitar, and he has a lot of guitars. And I was mentioning to him that I'm going to start trying to play guitar again after not playing in many, many years, and that I was looking for a distortion pedal. And so he offered to send me one, but now I have no idea why a distortion pedal needs this size box. So I'm kind of intrigued. So anyway, he offered to make a very kind donation to my cause by sending me a distortion pedal. He says, here's a few things to help inspire your guitar playing. I'm really hoping you will enjoy the blue pedal. It makes very fun sounds. I also sent you a prank box and a little something for your furry roomies. Keep the fires burning, Hot Frog. Okay, cool. Let's check this out. This is so cool. Holy Moses, look at this. Okay, this is one of these fake product boxes he was telling me about. It's like a gift box, but you put anything in it, but the people think they're getting a Toilet Tunes radio. That's great. I can't believe people make stuff like this and that people buy it. It's amazing. All right. What is this? A box of fun. Oh, look at that. This is a pedal? Holy Moses. Oh, wow. Check this out. I got the chords. Look, he sent me 3 pedals. Fab chorus. Cool. Distortion modeler. That sounds great. I don't know what it's just. I'm a non-musician, everybody, so I'm very clueless as to what most of this stuff is. This sounds like it's going to make the guitar sound like I want it to sound. Heavy metal, punk rock, gritty, noisy. All this together is going to work wonders. Wow, what a cool set of stuff to get. Now, the mystery is, what is for my cats, right? Let's see what's for your furry roommates. Oh my goodness. Excited. What did the kitties get? Hey, cat. You might want to come check this out. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I think everybody has seen these on TV. And I guess we're getting ready to try this out. Okay, Cricket, let's have an interview about this. What'd you think? What'd you think, Cricket? What'd you think, Cricket? Maybe you like it better when it's not moving around. What is it, Cricket? you think? What is it, Mouse? What do you think, Meowser? Not too sure, huh? So thanks again, Hop Frog. I can't wait to put this stuff to good use. I'm still waiting to get my guitar, but now I have distortion pedal. Well, I have effects pedals. I have chords. I found some chords to a guitar in my attic. I have a little tiny amp, and I'm just waiting for the guitar. So thank you again, Hop Frog. We love you, man.